This is Likoni side. A few meters from Shelly Beach. This area is called Sharks. It's near to the popular Sharks Club, the one with the Makutis, you can see there. Then at the far end, where we have some old building without roofs, that is the infamous Shelly Beach Hotel. So it is a small area, but it's very, very populous. Very, very populous. And as you can see, it is a Sunday, and most Christians are in church worshiping. It's just a few minutes past 1 p.m. This is a Amani Gospel Church, the roof at which I'm pointing at. It is a Amani Gospel Church. We have another on this side. This is another church. At the far end, where as you can see a boy coming the other side, around there you have around 2 churches. So this is a religious center. You have so many. Then the other side to the Likoni is very, very densely populated. Again, a few meters, like 200 meters, the far end is the Timbwani Catholic Church. So this area is densely populated. This is Timbwani ward, just a very, very small section. But if you can count here, people living in this area, we can roughly have around 10,000 people in this household. So this is Timbwani ward in Likoni constituency or Likoni sub-county in Mombasa County, Coast region. You see? And those are coral rocks. Houses are built on rock. That's why you can see some houses are up, others are lower. Yeah. So even me, I'm standing on a high place. As you can see, that building that is unfinished is being constructed on coral rocks. So this is the lower side. I think it is 0 degrees below sea level in the lower side of Likoni. Maybe next time I'll be able to show you other places. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.